Hi, and welcome back to another episode of FT Trucks. Today I'm working on the C10 again, and I'm just done with clear coating the wheels. I painted them the original blue, and then I put a clear coat over them. So I'm waiting for them to get dry, and then I'll move them out of the way so I can work on some other stuff so they don't get dusty. I found some used tires that I'm going to put on there for now, so the truck is on tires again and we're able to roll it into the shop, but wheels look pretty good. Got in a bunch of new parts. We have door skins, front fenders, and a bunch of little odds and ends, rocker panels, all of that came in. I have the grill in here ready for some sandpaper and I'll paint that. And yeah, it's coming along. I'm waiting for the paint to dry on the wheels. Then I'll move them aside so they don't get dusty, and then I need to sand these two yet. Those I already sanded, they're ready for some paint. After I'm done sanding these, I'll paint all of them black and they're ready to be put back on the truck. Got the wheels out of the way, so here we go. Well, got them all cleaned and painted. Looks good. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.